Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do product empties video. I have quite a few things in my product empties, so I thought okay, let's just do this here also. There are a couple of things with me which I managed to complete it, and let's begin with the video. Firstly, I have this box. In this box I had my q-tips in the sense cotton buds. So that's what I had in this box, and I completed it, and I just go through this and the cotton rounds like so much. I don't have the cotton round cover with me right now, but I emptied that too. Next thing, Maybelline Total Clean Express makeup remover. So I almost going to finish this. This is a good makeup remover. I will not be repurchasing this makeup remover as of now because I have some other makeup remover. I'll be going through that. The next is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Mascara. This is very good mascara, but if you ask me will I repurchase this again, I might repurchase, but I have other mascara to go through now. So waterproof one, I might repurchase. The next is the Maybelline again. Can you see Maybelline New York Super Fresh Compact, one of the most affordable compact but very good compact. You can find it in the market. Can you see? I emptied this completely. I'll not be repurchasing this again. I want to try out other compacts. That would be the reason. It's not like my favorite, but it's a very good compact to just set your makeup. It is a very good compact. So if you're looking for a budget friendly compact powder, you can go for this. Again, from the house of Maybelline, we have this gel liner. Empty. So I had emptied this, and I have another one which I'm going to complete. For now I'm not going to repurchase this. I have other gel liners to complete. So next is the Oriflame Perfecting Face Primer. This is a very nice face primer. I belong to combination skin, but there are sometimes I'll get dry patches around my cheek area especially. I really love this primer. It glides on your skin very smoothly. It doesn't settle on dry patches. It is a very good primer, and it also makes your makeup to stay for a long time. As of now, I'm not going to repurchase. I like to try out other primers available in the market. Next is from the brand called Aroma Magic. It's the aloe vera sunscreen gel. I didn't really like this much. It also has only SPF 20, so half empty. Not gonna use this, so never gonna repurchase. This is the Streaks hair serum. Okay, you might wonder, okay, this is halfway it's there, but it was just there in my cupboard and I didn't even use that much. But I really like this serum because it just makes your hair to look very shiny. It's one of the affordable serum available in the market, but for some reason I don't use it. It got expired, to be honest, so that's why I'm just throwing it away. But I got a new serum. Not gonna use this one. The next is from the Garnier. It's their BB cream. So I recently started to feel that BB cream is kind of a fancy thing for foundation. It's just for foundation infused moisturizer in a tube. I feel I don't need to have any kind of BB cream anymore, so I emptied this one, but I'm not going to repurchase any BB creams as of now, I guess. So again, from the BB cream, there you go, Pond's BB cream, but this is a very great BB cream. I just love this BB cream so much, but I'm not going to repurchase the BB creams. The next thing is the moisturizing cream from Cetaphil. This is a very good moisturizing cream. It's a very thick in consistency. It's just like perfect for dry skin family, but I just use it on my body as well sometimes. It's very thick. You know, you have to be very careful before applying makeup, otherwise your makeup can slide away. So yeah, now I have a lotion in Cetaphil that is amazing. It has a perfect consistency. I switched to Cetaphil lotion instead of cream, so I'm not gonna repurchase this particular thing again. Next is this Avon liquid liner. You can see it's almost full. It's a good liner, but it's got expired recently. That's why I'm just throwing it away. Otherwise it's good. It's a very good liquid liner, but I'm not going to repurchase that again. Next is this Lakme 95 lipstick. Same goes, yeah. It's just been there with me for so long, and yeah, it's almost over. So I'm not going to repurchase the exact same shade from this range. Might try another shade, but not the same one. This one is in the shade Pink Collar. It's kind of a bubblegummy pink shade. It will not suit a lot of skin tone. It will wash out. It even washes out me a little bit. So yeah. Next thing is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Oh god, completed this. not a good idea to buy this one. Super black. I feel the normal color works way better than the super black. Next is the iconic Lakme, the white one. I don't know if this even available anymore. I'm not sure of that at all, but anyways, I don't like this matte. I don't like it. So even if it's available, I'm not going to repurchase for sure. Okay, the next one is the Essence frame for fame eyelash glue. Not a great glue, even though it is very genius packaging for eyelash application. Is very easier because it has that doe foot applicator. You can easily apply and it is nice, but the glue itself is not a great glue. The glue is the best, and it just works so much fine. Okay, the next is the random thing. It's a pocket perfume from Engage. It's in the shade Floral Fresh. It's a good perfume. I just have 2 more sprays left, I guess, but I'll just empty it completely after this video, then I'll throw this away. It's a good perfume. It's just good for, just put it on your handbag. You don't need to carry a big perfume bottle. I might repurchase, I'm not sure about that. Last but not the least is the Prince perfume. I don't love it. I'm not going to repurchase. It's like my love and hate relationship with this. I don't know. Anyway, this even doesn't last for a very long time, so definitely I'll just complete this part and I'll throw this away. But I like the packaging. Perfume fragrance wise, I'm not a very big fan of it. So yeah, with this I complete my product empties video. It's so fun to do it, and it's also very nice to discuss about the products. I hope you found this useful as well. If you really did, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you also in my next video. Bye.